Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you guys barefaced and crusty and beautiful all at the same time. Yeah, today we're going to be doing a pre-poo and ain't nobody got time to be looking cute. There's no need for me to be putting on makeup knowing very well that I'm gonna have oil dripping on the sides of my head. Okay, like you guys know, like hot oil treatments can sometimes get a bit too messy, hence why I'm already in a very old t-shirt. I don't care too much about this, and I don't want to put on makeup because what's the point? Then I will share with you guys the ingredients that you're going to be needing for today's video, but before that, let us get right into today's video. The oil that I'm going to use as my base, I'm going to be using two oils. I'm going to be using almond oil and coconut oil. So you guys, the almond oil I'm talking about is that one that I showed over here in this video. I just added it in as my first oil, and in the second oil I used raw coconut oil right there. You guys can tell. For people who are going to ask me where I got this, I don't know. My a family member got it for me from overseas. This was $5.50. I don't know where they got it though. I don't have the name of the store, but this is amazing. I've been using it since I got it, so I love it. I've been using it on my skin. I actually love coconut oil on my skin. And then I used my almond powder. I got this from Essentially Natural. That's where I find most of my herbs, my spices, everything. I just buy from them. And then I put everything in one bottle like so. Yeah, so you guys can see the green of the other almond oil. It's right over there. And yeah, so this is very hot, so I put some hot water in here, and this is it. So we are doing a hot oil treatment, so I don't suggest you start with water first. Don't do that because it will just be a waste of your time. So I'm going to switch to voiceover while I do my hair with you guys. Alrighty.
Okay, so first things first, we're going to make sure that our fingernails are clipped, they're smooth, and then you're going to need a few tools such as your hair clips so that you can be able to section your hair, which is our next step. I have already sectioned my hair into 2 parts, and then I'm going to section that into 4 parts and continue to split that also into a smaller section so that I can start applying my hair oil there. Now, once you have done sectioned your hair, make sure that when you're separating your hair, you're being very, very gentle and you're not being rough with it. You're taking your time. This is probably the most delicate part. This is the first step in retaining your length. If you get this wrong, know that you will not be able to retain length if you're going to be just snapping your hair aggressively. Then I've already mentioned that I have added about 1 tablespoon of Amla oil and about almost the whole bottle of that small, I think it's 100 ml bottle of the oil. So it's about, I really don't know the math, hey, but it was most of the oil because I mean I have a lot of hair. I'm going to, and then I added coconut oil. I'm going to focus all of the oil on my hair strands, on my roots and my ends, especially my ends. The reason why I've decided to use Amla oil is that we have already started to build a relationship with Amla powder. Therefore, I don't think my hair is going to be shocked. The second reason is that Alma has a lot of benefits, such as it increases hair volume, it combats hair loss, it nourishes dry and damaged hair, it fights scalp infections and dandruff. This is exactly what my hair needs right now. Not just that, but Amalakai, as they would say, powder does add shine to your hair. And if you are somebody that kind of wants to slow down the process of graying hair, you can definitely incorporate this powder into your hair regimen. Not just that, you guys, you know that we are on this almost like an Ayurvedic journey whereby I try to include other ways of growing your hair and not just using store-bought products. And I can tell you for free, there are a lot of things in my life that are out of balance, and you can see that it's translating in the health of my hair. I'm not eating right, I'm not exercising. My hair can tell you exactly what's going on. Not just that, my fingernails have become so brittle, fragile, that they break at any time. Like I could be detangling and it would just break. My iron is low, so there are lots of things that I have to fix internally, externally, so that my hair can actually get to start feeling better and healing. I need to heal, my hair needs to heal too. But this is how my hair looks. Please be gentle when you're detangling your hair, just like how I was, and then just tuck it in and move on.
My peeps, I look a bit crazy right now, but that's okay. That's really okay. I wanted to show you guys the amount of shedding that I got from just lightly detangling. I didn't completely detangle my hair, and this is the amount of shedding I got. And then I just put my hair into plastic shower caps thingy, and I have been wearing my Duke for the last, I don't know, 3 hours. Look at that. Ew. It's like all the dirt and everything in here. I must actually throw these away. Thank goodness I bought a very large pack. But I just wanted to show you guys. Oh yes, my hair feels actually very nice. I'm so happy I added the coconut oil, because had I not, this was not going to end up very well for me. Like, just the Alma oil itself, I don't think it was going to work. I'm actually very happy I added the powder. Not just that, I know we're going to chop off these babies because everybody voted in my last video that we should trim everything, but I do have to say that they are already looking somewhat like better. My ends, I mean, they're looking so much better. So you guys, this is where I'm going to love and leave you. Just want to show you like the rest of my hair. It's actually looking very nice. I'm very happy with where it is. It's not as damaged as I thought it was, and I do have some of the Alma powder in my hair. I can actually feel it as I'm retwisting this. But let me quickly show you guys. My sister even complimented me, and she said that, you know what, buddy, I feel like your hair never grows, if my camera can focus, but I can actually see that it's growing. I think she was talking about the thickness of my hair, but this is how we are. This is how we are. This is how my hair looks like. I'm pretty happy with the results. So I am going to go wash my hair, and I am gonna see you guys in my next video. I mean, you guys can tell my hair is a bit thicker than normal, right? Could have been the Alma that I've been using or not. I don't know. It could be that I have not been using oils in my hair. I do not know. All I know is that my hair is not that bad. I mean, guys, look at the ends. Like, you see when they're like in a twist, you can't even see that they're damaged, but we all know the real truth over here. So I'm going to love and leave you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.